Hey y'all, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my Southern smothered turkey necks. Now in the past, I have made my pork neck bones, but I have a lot of love bugs that don't eat pork anymore. Y'all on that no pork on my fork type of deal, right? So it's only right that I make these for y'all because I gotta cater to all my love bugs, okay? So, FYI, this will be easier than usual and a lot quicker because I'll be using an Instant Pot. So to get right into the recipe, I have my turkey necks, onions, garlic, and some celery that I already chopped up. I'm going to season the turkey necks using some dried thyme, kosher salt, coarse black pepper, and a little bit of seasoning salt as well. And now I'm going to just make sure everything is seasoned and not just the stuff that I sprinkle the seasoning on top of. So make sure you toss those turkey necks and they should look nice and seasoned to perfection just like so. Oh, and I also added some cayenne pepper. I almost forgot, so that was in the seasoning mix as well. So now I'm going to just saute up some veggies. So in this pan, I have a little bit of vegetable oil. The heat is on medium. And now I'm going to saute the onions and the celery. Now remember, we do have garlic as well, but we're going to start off with the onions and celery. Then we're going to cook them until they get some nice color to it. And once it does, we will toss in the garlic. Once the garlic is in that pan, you're just going to cook it for about 1 more minute. And then you can turn the heat off completely. And then we'll move to the next step. So the next step is grabbing that Instant Pot or whatever pressure cooker you have. And we're going to start adding in the turkey necks, y'all. Okay, so make sure not to overcrowd it. You know, they always have like the max that you're supposed to put in there. I don't know about y'all, but I follow it because I ain't trying to, mess up anything. So make sure you add what you're supposed to add in there. So now we're going to start adding our onions and our celery and garlic on top of there. And you know what? For all of my love bugs that do not like making homemade gravy, this is for you. Sprinkle those gravy packs up in there, girl. Now, if you don't want to use the gravy packs, don't worry. Y'all know I made gravy on here plenty of times. You can actually use my turkey wing gravy that I have, okay, for this recipe, and it will work fine. So now I'm going to pour in my turkey or my chicken broth, and then we're going to just mix everything. You want to make sure it is well combined, not well and combined, but well combined. And then we're going to place our lid on top of our Instant Pot. Make sure it's sealed, darling. And then we are going to set this on high for 55 minutes because we want it falling off the freaking bone, okay? So 55 minutes, y'all. And once it is done, this is what we have. If you want a thicker gravy, go ahead and add another package. Again, or if I haven't mentioned, the recipe can be found on my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. It will be completely for free. Head over there so you can print it out. And this is what we are working with. Yes. Y'all, are we gonna use, put this over gravy or mashed potatoes? Y'all let me know. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to head over to iHeartRecipes.com and I will see you soon.